In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Range Oscillator TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get this indicator showing up cleanly on your charts so you can start using it in your analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the main Indicators menu, which is where you can access all the built-in tools as well as any custom scripts you've saved. When that menu pops up, you'll see several tabs across the top, such as built-ins, candlestick patterns, and more. Focus your attention near the top area of this window where the search bar is located. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through a long list. Click on the search bar at the top and then start typing Range Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the available indicators that match what you've entered. You should see Range Oscillator appear in the results list just below the search field. Make sure you select the correct one from the list. All you need to do is click on it once, and TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. After you click it, look at the bottom portion of your chart. The range oscillator should now be visible in its own panel beneath the main price chart. From here, you can customize it like any other indicator in TradingView. If you want to tweak the settings, just hover over the indicator's name on the left side of its panel, click the settings icon, and adjust inputs, colors, or line styles to match your personal preferences or your trading strategy. If you're using TradingView Pro, you'll have more flexibility with how many indicators you can add at once and how many charts you can view in a single layout, which can make tools like the range oscillator even more powerful in your workflow. If you're not on Pro yet and you're considering upgrading, feel free to use the affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the range oscillator to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your market analysis.